Great grind day, great grind day. Welcome to your Vitamin G Conversations with Kendall. Look, I was reading a quote. Hold on, let me read it to you by Benjamin Franklin. It says, "Never confuse motion with action." He said, "Never confuse motion with action." So this is the way I look at it. People are confusing movement with momentum, right? So I always tell people, like, they ask me the question, like, Kendall, like, yo, what keeps you going? Because, like, you just seem like you nonstop. You seem like you just keep going. And I said, because I have momentum. So I have a mantra that I say every day when I wake up. I say, I can't go back. And somebody asked me, like, what you mean you can't go back? Like with making the money, I can't go back to none of it. I can't go back to being broke. I can't go back to being an alcoholic. I can't go back to being a womanizer. I can't go back to being average. I can't go back because there's too many people counting on me to go forward and be better, not just than I was back in the day, but be better than I am today. And I'm saying to you, every single day, this is what I want you to do. Every day you make a move. Right? You got to have movement every day. So I wake up every day, I look at my phone, I do what I got to do, and I make a move, right? I make a move. Every hour, I make a move. Every minute, I'm making a move. So the next day, every minute, every hour, I'm making moves. At the end of a week, all those moves start to create some movement, right? And that means a steady flow, discipline, a steady flow, consistency, a steady flow. I'm making moves. And then those moves turn into momentum. And once it gets to a certain point, nothing can stop it. And I'm at that point. I don't feel like nothing can stop me because I'm in momentum. And I'm telling you, when you get into the momentum, you ain't gonna have those days where you like, I gotta stop this and I gotta stop that. You're gonna be like, I can't stop because I can't go back and I can't lose this momentum. So what I need you to do is every single day, make a move. Y'all have a great grind day. We'll talk soon.